Hello and welcome to another Top Table Gaming video. You're joined by me, Jay, and we're bringing you something a little bit different here from Middle-earth strategy battle game. But most importantly, I'm joined by two wonderful people, which are...
Steve Crow.
No.
Ed Ball.
And Barney.
Barney, and it is release day for Middle-earth strategy battle game.
Toys.
And obviously these guys are at the centre today playing some cool casual games and...
Trying to break the system. Super casual.
Super casual breaking the system. And as we went over to say hi, they were talking about a really interesting thing that we decided to get on camera for a bit of fun. What is it, Ed?
So, Gandalf the White is now really good, and the Witch King is still the Witch King. When you give them all of their options, they're the same points. So we figured we'd do like a Wizards of the Third Age heavyweight champion of spell casting and spell slinging of Middle-earth. Deathmatch. Battle Royale Rumble 1 versus 1 Mano O Spirity Wizardy King.
So we're going to see who wins.
Basically see who's better, whether it's Gandalf the White One or Angmar the Angmar Man.
Unsurprisingly, Ed is going to be playing the Witch King, and I will play Gandalf.
Because you're a charming old fellow.
Yeah, and you're an evil wizard.
Right, I'm going to jump in and say we're going to switch the camera around, get stuck into this little one-on-one fight, and then we'll come back afterwards. Cheers, guys.
So we're on a 4x4. We've started 18 inch from opposite corners, because why not? We're about 28 inches apart.
Just over 24 inches apart, so we actually have a turn to not
do
cast spells
things.
on turn one. So, turn one, priority.
As 6.
A 1, that doesn't bode well.
Any heroics?
I'm going to heroic channel.
Why did I have to win? Why did I have to win it?
Is this the only thing you're going to win?
Ooh! I haven't got March anymore, so I can't do that.
I haven't got March anymore.
Flap. I'm hiding behind a tree.
Cool.
I'm done. That's it. Oh, your heroic challenge spends a point of night. Down to 2.
So, I move 6. Very important when I'm compelled, not 5. So let's not do that.
Let's not be within 18.
So let's not. Well, I'm currently within 18, so that's a bad start. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fortify spirit on Gandalf channel.
Targeting himself. Needs a 3.
So he goes down to 5 in store. Would you just...
So you've just done that.
Yeah.
So any might?
Sorry?
Might?
No, it just goes off.
Sure.
I'm fine with it resolving on a 3.
It resolved.
Cool. So Gandalf is super fortified, and then all he's going to do is he's just going to come an inch back so that you can't compel, do nasty things to him.
Sure. Whatever. I hate you.
Prior to turn 2, a 3, and you get a 6.
Again.
So off you go. Cool.
So we've just rolled priority for turn 2. I won priority again, which is absolutely atrocious. So any heroics? Mr. Barnard.
No.
Fair enough. I'm gonna see where 12's at. 12 is about here. And I'm gonna flap. flap. 9 inches.
Cool.
I am gonna 2 dice, snap stick.
Whoop.
And I cast it on a 6.
So,
And down to 18 will.
remind me, Edward, how does Channel Fortify Spirit work?
So Channel Fortified Spirit is you decide how many will you would like to resist any spells cast at you from your store.
Yes.
After you've decided that, you get to add 2 additional dice.
Yeah.
And on any dice that you roll to resist a spell, you get +1. So although I cast it on a 6, you actually were going to resist
On a 5.
on a 5
So, I get my 2 free.
because of the spell.
I get... You've cast it on a 6.
Yes.
So I'll also have 1 from my store.
From your store.
Because I don't want to use the 1 from my stick. Because I can't get that back in my store if I roll a 6 on it.
No, but
So-
on the green ones you don't get any back if you roll a 6.
But if I get a 6 on the gold ones, I get it back.
It's like super resistant. 3 ones. Oh!
Oh, that's
Side.
really awkward.
So down to 4. The 4's become a 5. You failed
So
by
I'm
1.
going to use a point of might.
A point of might You're down to 1 point of might.
That is awkward.
It's really good. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this dice all the way over here. I'm going to go hide behind the tree. Yeah, can't shoot me now.
It's true.
Go.
Gandalf's big crossbow.
Gandalf.
So,
interesting point.
Hello.
If you wanted to, you could have resisted with the horse. Shadow Fact.
Shadow Fact.
Shadow Fact the first. Shadow Fax has got will.
So I've got 4 in my store, and I've still got my free one this turn. So
Kill. Gonna get your kill.
I'm going to come 2 inches to here.
To be about 12 away.
To be 12 away.
12 away.
Then I'll use my free one from my stick,
From your stick.
and then 2
So down to 2 in store.
to compel you.
Fair enough. Is that the correct thing?
No, new edition compel, not very good anymore.
New edition compel, not very good.
In that case, I'm just going to blast you into oblivion.
No! Kapow! Kapow! You has cast it.
Oh, that's pretty pathetic, isn't it?
Would you like to spend might?
No.
No. So it's cast on and 4.
Yes.
I'm going to resist that. I've learnt this lesson over many years.
That getting your fobies blasted isn't good.
Well, you need to resist with like dice and stuff.
Tier 1 tactics.
Tier 1 tactics, don't let bad things happen. However, I've got 3 points of might, so I could resist on 1 dice and just blow them
Do
up.
it. Just roll a natural 6.
I mean, what I'm going to do, I'm going to resist with 3, so I'm down to 15 will.
He gets 1 back.
So, I spent 3, but I resisted 1 on a 6, so I get that back, so I'm actually on 16. Yeah. Shadow Fact the second, resisting spells has changed.
So, we're also then going to use the rest of our movement to come just outside of 18. So you can't compel me to combat again.
No, but you're going to win priority this turn, so it's fine.
Nah, it'll be fine.
Oh no, it'll be fine. I'm going to end phase anything.
Nope. Priority? So, priority.
Priority turn 3. You're going to win it.
A 5.
I don't want a
it's bad
6.
start. It's a bad start.
Yes.
Oh, dear.
What are you going to do? Nothing from me. I've got no heroics. Proceed.
So, we want to still end up outside of 18. But we also want to cast a spell, which we can't do because mathematics.
Because numbers.
Because 6 plus 6 is not more than 12.
Not more than 13, either.
So I think the answer is we're going to come this way, and what we're going to do is we're going to use our free one to cast Terrifying Aura,
Sure.
which goes off on a 5+.
Yes, of course it does.
Off he goes.
My turn.
Yes.
I'm a flap.
Yes.
The flapping. I'll throw him away. I'm
Please,
a bound.
please don't snap my stick.
No, don't want to snap your stick. Okay. Sounds like a plan. I'm like 20 away, so I'm going to go forward 8.
Yep.
Here goes, approximately 8. He's a bit drunk. Up you get. Yeah. Oh, yes, 12. I have got 16 left.
Yep.
I am going to, on 2 dice, snap stick. It happens on a 5, so I go down a bit.
Now,
I got 14 bits left.
interesting question.
Yes.
The model is fortified, so I can use my fortify and then Shadowfax as well?
You can, however, Shadowfax has no might. Shadowfax would then be resisted.
But I've only got 1 might on Gandalf.
Correct.
Okie dokie.
And 1 might on Gandalf.
So we get 2 regardless. Shadowfax has 2 will?
2 will. And other heroic capabilities as well. Shadowfax the third has got more than 2 will.
Shadowfax is going to use
I assume the model's fortified. We could check the rules, but let's go.
Shadowfax is going to use all of his.
So
no, he's going to use one. Just going to use one. So fortified, and then does Shadowfax get his back as well?
I mean, it's a model.
He's a model, so
will.
Shadowfax might get his will back.
It does!
And Shadowfax gets it back. Shadowfax cares not for your witchcraft.
I don't care, and then I'm going to float to be outside of 12.
Okie dokie.
Shooting, none. Combat, no. End phase, done. Priority.
Low, low, low. Yeah.
Yes, maybe.
I am going to Heroic Channel.
Okay. I am not.
Okay.
I'm going to take a terror check.
Oh yeah.
A pass.
You're outside 12, right?
At the moment.
Cool. I'm gonna resist your spell.
I'm going to move an inch.
I'm gonna resist your spell, Ed. It's gonna be fine.
I'm going to move an inch. And then I'm going to 4 dice command you. Smash. You are commanded on a 6. And 10.
And I have how much will in my store?
2.
2 will. So I get my 2 free.
Yeah.
I get my
Other free one.
other free one, which will do this one because it doesn't come back. And then we'll have my 1 from my store.
So down to 1.
Yes! Gets it back.
That's madness. I go to 2.
Gets 2 in his store. It's all coming on Gandalf.
And then I'm going to go to here. I'll be an inch away.
Gandalf is gonna 2 dice compel the Witch King
Fair enough.
on a 6.
I resist with 3.
Oh,
I resisted with 3 and I got 1 back, so I'm on 8. Yes.
oh dear.
Oh dear.
I can't run away from your compel now because you're like on top of me.
And you're now out of will, aren't you?
I'm gonna have to go this way.
You're now
This is
out.
not going well for Gandalf. I can't.
So, priority turn 4. The
Yeah.
end is nigh.
Turn 5, Ed. Turn
What?
5. Keep
No,
counting.
no, shush. Yeah, I get it.
I think Gandalf might be dead.
Gank Dalf.
Now I have no might and no will, so I'm not fortified. This is very bad news.
This is good.
I believe.
Which way do you want to do it? I was going to channel. I'm channel. I'm going to channel with channel spell. You're no longer terrifying, so I can just run at you.
Yeah.
And I'm going to channel transfix you.
Interesting.
Smash. Yeah, it's cast. You've got a free one.
Resisted.
Boom. Down to 6.
Still gonna fight.
I'm still gonna fight in the
Still
flat,
gonna
flat,
fight.
flat, 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 flat. Rah, hello. Right, combat time. I am going to, he says, checking the rules to make sure I've got it. Heroic strike
To be a higher fight value
to trying to be a higher fight value than you.
That's really awkward.
Yes.
I'd probably do that as well if I had any might left.
Yes.
I am going to stun. Just in case I survive.
You know it's 6s now.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, fair.
I'm still
really not winning.
Stun.
On monsters, it's 6s.
So I strike up to fight 6. Good.
Good.
And I've got 4 attacks because I've got the crown of crowniness. And you know what I've not been doing for the entire game?
What?
Re-rolling my resist
'cause
rolls.
you've got
Only
crown.
cast spells.
Don't need
Shadow
that.
fact that doesn't matter because you're going to die soon.
I've got 2 attacks. I'm going to set you a bar with my stick. Of a 3.
A 3.
Pretty poor.
Gonna
It's going to have to be pre-spected.
lots more.
Oh dear.
Oh dear. So you are automatically thrown.
Yes.
Shadow Factor runs away. Clipsy Clop keeps the fate point.
Good. It's good to know.
And
Because he's the king of horses.
you take a strength 3 hit. Nothing happens.
Nah, mate.
So I had 3. I charge, I get 4. And you're trapped, so I get double.
Yes.
I'm going to use my Morgul blade to shank you with my Morgully blade of bladiness.
So.
But I have to use the Witch King's strength 4.
Okay.
So that means I need 5s.
You need 5s. If you get 4 wounds, Gandalf dies
kaputty.
in an instant from the Morgul blade wound.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, he's dead.
The end and death, and the Angmar wins the world. Yes.
Alright, we're back, and there we have it. What happened, guys?
Killed him. Killed him dead. Killed him good.
What happened, Barney?
I forgot that when you ran out of wool, you ran out of fortified
That's
spirit.
going to get you very dead.
Yeah, it's not going to serve you particularly well.
So, is it fair to say that the greatest wizard in Middle-earth is the Witch King, or do we need to do a rematch?
I think the public should decide.
The public should let us know if they
Vain
want to
public.
see a rematch in this duel. What do you reckon?
Yeah, I mean, I'd like to see a rematch with you and Steve playing, and that'd be interesting.
We wouldn't have a clue what to do.
Exactly.
I think the Witch King. I like Gandalf. If I was playing Gandalf, I'd back Gandalf.
Yeah.
But I'm playing the Witch King.
Basically on that.
I win. Barney's made a few errors.
Anyway, a little bit of a different video for you there. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, check out the rest of our videos, comment below, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers for coming on, guys.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Bye.